Folks, here's the new combination full kit for a rugged radios or PCI radio push to talk button and also horn button that will attach to most Razor 1000s and 1000 turbos and Turbo S's. If you have a 6-bolt steering wheel or you have an aftermarket steering wheel on your vehicle, whether it be a UTV or a Jeep or a vehicle, what have you, these will fit on all 6-bolt aftermarket kits or even factory from Polaris. So look for the 6 bolts. If you do not have 6 bolts, this kit will not work until you put a new 6-bolt hub on and a new steering wheel. So these are carbon fiber. These are high quality. These alone are $50 out there without being carbon fiber, and I have these sold separately on eBay as well. This kit comes with everything you need to install your push-to-talk on a PCI or rugged radios and a horn on your unit, except for the horn itself, which is sold separately on my website, a great loud horn. But I got to keep these kits simple. So the kit comes with your push-to-talk unit buttons. There are your 2.8 millimeter pins for the back of those for you to wire in. This is a 4-wire, high quality 4-wire that has stranded in there to make it very durable. So you can either solder to the back of these pins here, or you can use the attached 2.8 millimeters, whichever you're comfortable with. I suggest taking the short end and cutting it down closer to what you're comfortable with, and then you'll want to probably drill a small hole and put a push tie or a pull tie in there, a zip tie, and then zip this in place so that you don't pull it out very easily. And so the opposite end I would leave long and direct right in. You can split the cable down near the bottom and then take 2 wires and head over to your horn relay. These relay kits are also designed, and you'll have the pinouts, i.e. a diagram of where the pins go, where these 2 wires go here. Doesn't matter which one of the 4 wires you use. 2 will go red and black, and will go to one. White and blue will go to the other. That's all you need to. You just pick the 4 colors that you want to go. So let's say red and black will go to the push to talk. So you will split these off. I would suggest putting some string tube on them if you want, and go ahead and solder those into 2 of the 3 pins. These only need 2 of 3 for your push to talk on your PCIs and your ruggeds. The other 2, of course, as you split these off, will go to your relay. Simple crimp in and pop into your relay, and then your positives go into your relay as well. We'll have you a pinout diagram of that. So this is everything you need to put this unit on, besides your horn wiring and your horn itself, and you are good to go. We will eventually have these kits pre-made up for you, but right now we want to sell them as inexpensive as possible for those of you who are comfortable doing this. It is not hard. Follow the instructions. You can't go wrong with it, and you'll save a bunch of money doing this yourself. Hope this is helpful. Again, these will be useful for anybody who has a 6-bolt steering wheel hub. 5 bolts will not work. It does need to be a 6-bolt, so be careful when you purchase. In there is a restocking fee if they don't work on your unit. Thanks, folks, and enjoy your new parts.